You know when you're in a meeting and you hear somebody on your team and you're thinking, gosh, if they could just sound more confident. But giving feedback on someone's voice is like giving feedback on someone's face. Would you like feedback on your face? How about you? Would you like feedback on your face? It's very difficult, but again, after today with the Sonic Leadership Coaching Guide, you will have not only the wherewithal, the tools, the words, the phrasing, the everything to give feedback on something that would raise someone's influence and change their life forever. When it comes to voice, little hinges swing big doors wide open. These are little things we'll be talking about today that make a big difference in someone's life. You know a simple way to move your face to get going? Smile. If you just throw in a smile now and then, it's a random smile, then your audience might smile back, which feels pretty good, right? Smile really big for me, like Cheshire Cat kind of smile. Really big. I want to see really big smiles. Now look at somebody next to you. Now look at somebody on the other side. Okay, not scary smile, nice smile, big teeth. Did you know that when you smile, you shorten your vocal tract by a smidge? That is not a scientific term. And you brighten your voice by a semitone. Now on a scope or the conscious brain, you can't pick that up. But your unconscious brain can hear it. And we love it. Don't you love it when you pick up the phone and you can tell someone's smiling? When they say hello and they know it's you? We put these together, PMS. Now I know you'll never forget it. Remember when we learned PMS, power, meaning, shaping. P, lungs, power, meaning, add inflection and emotion in the throat, your vocal dynamics, and shaping and carving of our consonants and vowels. And so this is very simple when you break it down. You know, there's a lot of talk about having a seat at the table. But what's the point if you don't have a voice at the table? Your voice is your influence, and developing your voice and developing confidence in it, that's where influence at the table actually happens.